Well, we've finished up another day, and it's been an exciting day, but no motorcycle day. We stayed on the tour buses and got to go around to all of the normal Jerusalem tour sites, and what an incredible day it was. And our last site was the Holocaust Museum, and if you can't be moved there, you can't be moved. And then we came back and had a wonderful dinner, and we were privileged to have Barry come and join us with Vision for Israel. And he's the one who coordinated the gift of all of our medical supplies. So Barry, give us a little update. What happened?
Thank you. Well, first of all, we just want to thank everybody, especially on behalf of those who have given through Mission 25 for this great humanitarian aid effort. We've learned that one way our witness is strong as Jewish believers who love Yeshua, Jesus the Messiah. One way is to just bless the people here, the citizens of Israel, whether they're Jewish or Arab, with such things as medical supplies, items that are so needy, life's basic necessities that can touch people's lives. And as we touch people's lives with the gifts that you've brought, they can see the love of God in us and respond through that love as to what the Word of God says. And I think powerful enough as it is in Matthew 25, when Jesus said these words, "When you've done it to the least of these, my brethren, you've done it unto me." So we want to thank you, Pastor Gary, and everybody at Mission 25 for a great trip, and for more than anything else, for bringing actual, practical, physical aid for the healing touch of people's bodies in this country.
You know, it's just another sign of Mission M25. That's what we're built on, is touching the least of these with a ministry of hope. And we're just thankful that we could join with our Israeli brothers and touch that group of people with the same witness that we try to do in the United States of America. We really appreciate y'all staying with us. We've got another big day tomorrow, and then we'll conclude with a ride down to Beersheba. So stay in touch with us. Keep in prayer for us. May God bless you. Thanks a lot.